When safety matters most, ordinary cables are not enough. That's where fire-resistant cables come in. Designed to keep transmitting electrical power even during a fire, these specialized cables help keep emergency systems such as fire alarms, emergency lighting, and evacuation equipment running when they are needed most. The journey begins with high-quality copper conductors, carefully drawn and stranded to ensure excellent electrical performance and flexibility. Next comes the heart of the cable, fire-resistant insulation. Special materials including mica tape and heat-resistant compounds are applied to create a protective barrier that can withstand extreme temperatures. The insulated conductors are then assembled, shielded if required, and covered with a durable outer sheath that offers additional protection against heat, flame, and environmental damage. Finally, every cable undergoes rigorous quality testing to ensure it meets international fire resistance standards before leaving the factory. At Shineworld Group, we provide advanced machinery and complete cable factory solutions, helping manufacturers produce reliable, high-performance, fire-resistant cables that protect lives and critical infrastructure.